Alright, I got a little update on the Rheem hot water tank. There is a way. Another gentleman commented on my post saying that if you push and hold mode and next, you end up getting into a test mode. So I'm going to try that here and see what that does. There we go. Okay, I have no idea what that means. Maybe that means test. I have no clue. Let's just take a look. Upper element. Alright, lower shutoff valve. Okay, so I could probably test my shutoff valve, see how that operates. That's cute. I won't. I don't need to. It works. Evap fan. I don't know how to start it. Low speed. Oh yeah, she's spooling. Okay. How many amps of current being drawn? That's cool. Maybe I can do speed control. Nope. No. Okay, I turned that off. The compressor turned on. All right. 84. Not sure what temperature that's reading, what it's compressing the temperature of the fluid up to. See, there's nowhere to find this out. Rheem doesn't show anything on their websites about this stuff. 105 Fahrenheit, so yeah, we're getting up to getting warm. So I'm assuming that is pumping the compressing the fluid and starting to pump it into the system. So I'm not going to continue that. No idea what that means. No idea what that means. Current 1.6 amps. Okay, sure. Lower element. All right, so now we can see what our temperatures are around that element. So 131.4. I wish we could see that at all times without putting it in test mode, because then we'd actually know what our temperature is. And current. That does nothing. And then the amps, 20 amps. Okay. And we go upper element, 137.7. I have my system set at 140. I think everybody saw at the beginning of the video. So upper element's turned on. Upper element HT, sure. And also just under 20 amps. So that's kind of interesting because the upper element can pull 20 amps, the lower can pull 20 amps, but they only require a 30 amp breaker for this system. So if you combine those, that's 40 amps, but they don't require a 40 amp breaker. And then off. I don't know what that does. And I'm back to here, shut off. All right, well, there you go. So a little bit more stuff you can actually check to see what's going on with the components. I wish I had that when my temperature was too low because I was getting backdraft. If anybody remembers my previous videos, I didn't have my damper. It's outside now, way out there. And I was getting super cold air, like we were minus 25 Celsius or something, and that cold air was pushing back into the system, and it super chilled the sensor inside here. And it wouldn't let the compressor fire up, wouldn't let the heat pump run. So if I would have been able to get in here and test to see if the compressor could turn on directly, then I would have known 100%. What I ended up doing was pulling all this off and blowing a hot air gun in there and getting this warmed back up so that I could turn the system on. So how the heck do I get out of this? Okay, there we go. Push two buttons, we're back out. And yeah, it's been going good. I'll start sharing some energy usage. We've kind of stabilized our system. I've been running it on energy saver mode at 140 for a good month now. If the family says that they want to do a lot of heating of any sort, or a lot of showers, a bath and a couple showers, it'll keep up, but you do have to get it off energy saver mode, put it on high demand mode for sure. I still don't know the parameters when high demand mode kicks on the elements over the energy saver mode. If it's not keeping up, for sure, I click it over to electric mode and just run both elements, and it does a fine job. And yeah, so we run the higher temperature because we'll just control our temperature out of our valves just to make sure that we have enough. Again, it's typically 6 people here having showers, you know, through the sport days and whatnot. So we run a lot of water, and it's been great. I've tried 150. That's hot as hell. So I don't typically run it that high. Energy usage was a little bit more, but not a ton. I haven't been running it down to 110 or 120 at all, because it wouldn't give us a full tank of for a bath, and then wouldn't have enough reserve there because we'd drain so much out to get a hot bath. So we've just been running at 140, and I think my average use is between 4 and 9 kilowatts a day. So to me, that's not bad. Again, this is running on solar. I've got this in my well running on 10 panels of my 60 solar panels at the moment, and off of my 3 batteries. Every day I'm fully recharged just off of the 10 panels. They have the capability of 4250 watt creation, and previous super sunny day I got a image of it creating 4800 watts out of it. So yeah, those are powerful. Yeah, so more updates to come. Enjoy.